Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the elements that are inside of the matrix. So for those of you who have ever traveled before on a plane or attended certain types of events, you would know that when you buy your ticket, the ticket would often have a seat number that marks where you are supposed to be seated. Similar to this concept, all the elements within a matrix all have a unique location assigned to them based on the row number and column number. In the example on the next slide, we will be using a generic M by N matrix, in other words, a matrix of any size, and we are going to use that matrix to learn how to identify elements that are in a particular location. The letter A is going to represent a random element of the matrix. The symbol for the row number is represented by the letter I, and the symbol for the column number is the letter J. Now the questions I have for you are, which element is seated in the first row and first column? So let's have a look at our matrix on the screen and look for the element which is in the first row and first column. We are essentially looking for the element that has the I value of 1 and J value of 1. Therefore, our answer will be the element in the top left-hand corner, A11. The next question I have for you is which element is seated in the third row and second column? That will be this element right here. And lastly, which element is seated in the second row and third column? We have A23, 2 being the row, the 3 representing the column. Just one last point before we go on to another question. I hope you noticed that as you go down the matrix, the I or row value increases, and as you go across from left to right, the J or column value increases.